Ken here, website designer for coaches. And, farting around this morning with ChatGPT, and thought came to mind, can I use it to quickly write an About Me page? I often see coaches asking about creating their About Me page, struggling with it. A lot can go into an About Me page, but I was wondering if I could just copy my LinkedIn profile, paste it into ChatGPT, and have it write an About Me page for me. And yes, pretty decent first start. You can do it. Here's what I did. First I tried to send ChatGPT a link. Write a professional story about me using my LinkedIn page here. Sending my link. And sorry, ChatGPT can't access external websites or links. I think it has accessed a link before, but anyway, LinkedIn profiles, you kind of need to be logged into LinkedIn, so I would understand that. So I did a different way. I went to my LinkedIn profile. So anyway, I just copied and pasted the entire page. Just the default. Let me close these down here. Just the default. I just scraped it. Just if you select at the top and you go all the way to the bottom, just copy everything. I just copied everything exactly as LinkedIn would show you, and I think LinkedIn does a pretty decent job of giving like the excerpts of the main things on your profile. I just copied that, and then I went to ChatGPT and I said, write a professional story about me using this content, comma, and I just pasted it all. Sloppy mess. So it ran, and it did it. And here's the story that it made up for me. ChatGPT is really good at summarizing a chunk of text if you just chuck a whole mess at it. So it'd be a good way to clean up copy. But here it is. Here's the ChatGPT rewrite. Ken Schroeder, web designer for coaches who drives online success. Ken Schroeder, seasoned web designer with a niche focus on catering to coaches, with a mission to help coaching professionals establish their online presence, attract new clients, elevate their visibility. Ken's expertise lies at the intersection of web design, blah, 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 that stuff. That's pretty cool. A journey of expertise and impact. Ken's journey into web design over 2 decades. He founded Coach Network, a platform for coaches, authenticated websites. His passion of web design, coupled with understanding of coaching dynamics, led to the approach, emphasized credibility and value through design. Really nice. Really good. It's like a third-person write-up. His approach is encapsulated, and a lot of professional coaches like this third. I see a lot of super guru coaches, and their write-up is. I've seen it like this sometimes, as opposed to saying, "Hey, I'm Ken. Here's my story. I love this. I love that. I've done this. I've done that." Instead of the I kind of story, it's more like, I guess this is third-person stories, or like a professional write-up. With a degree in math, computers, and art. Bring him to his training web design from Hendrix Institute. Ken combines his physical skills, his analytical skills, and his artistic flair. Like, I never used the word flair on my page. That's pretty good. He leverages traffic building web content. Look, they pulled good titles out of my content. It's fantastic. A portfolio of success stories. Ken's back them to success stories, blah, blah, blah. 2 of them there. And it's just a good amount, because someone reading an About Me page, you get a chunk, you read it, oh, wow. Yeah, enough to say, wow, I kind of get the idea, and wow. So the sizing of these is fantastic. Love it. A portfolio of success stories, and it's just written in good English. I could probably tweak this, maybe some words I would never use, and fine. But if you, in a minute or so, this will beat what I think most people can put together. Designing beyond boundaries, right? So I'd probably Ken's influence extends beyond the realm of web design. Yes, I often get into the business strategy and marketing plans for clients, and it's one thing to have a good website, and it's another thing to get the whole business to work. There are other elements. His passion for web design, his commitment to enrich and the coaching community position as a guiding force. Great. The ever-evolving landscape of online presence can dedicated to design to attract. Look at that. It just talks about this is very good. I bet I can do it again and have it. Like, you can do all kinds of things with this. You can take, and I'm just going to do really quickly, just one little example of what else you could do with this. This is something funny I did. Watch it. Rewrite this in a bubbly voice. Okay, so I just pasted the same thing, and I said write it in a bubbly voice. So here we go. Here we go. ChatGPT, nice tool. Introducing the marvelous Ken Schroeder, your go-to designer who creates online magic. So let's get, woohoo! Let's talk about Ken Schroeder, the fabulous web designer. Whatever. Okay, like he's like a wizard in the digital world, embarking on a journey of brilliance and impact. Okay, so picture this, Ken Schroeder. Okay, so this is getting, and you can do it right in first person. Let's do that again in first person. Write this in a first person bubbly voice. Okay. Oh boy. Hey there, lovely people. Ken Schroeder, your go-to web designer for coaches who are like, guess what? I've got an awesome mission. Okay, look, so now it's first person and it's all this hoop you do. And I could also do the same thing. Let's do the same thing. And let's just do it. Ken Schroeder, rewrite this in a bubbly voice, first person, in 120 words. Oh, I didn't do that. Oh, did it? It took my previous. Okay, it assumed I was trying to rewrite the same thing. Okay, so it actually got the text from above. That looks a bit too short. Let's go. A page might have. Let's say 500 words. Okay. Basically, I think I'm making it shorter than what I did above. So rewrite. Oh no, this might just do the previous one in 500 words. So it might expand it. Oh no. Okay, well there you go. This is 500 words. This looks pretty long. I don't know. Is that 500 words? I guess it is. I mean, a web page might be this, and this. Okay, fine. Look at that. So this first person bubbly voice, and taking my LinkedIn profile and turning it into 500 words. My journey started over 2 decades, and I embarked on it. Right. So it's first person. First person is a nice way to read too. It's a nice reading format. Hold on there. Anyways, just me showing you the shenanigans as the world evolves and the great tools out there. And I wish I should have got my face into this video, as you can see my wonky expressions. Anyways, hope everybody's good, and just sharing with you some behind the scenes rides and attractions, nonstop action in web design, modern world, growing your coaching business and whatnot. Okay. Until soon.